Me just I gotta start shoot it right now. Wagwan people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. This morning name Fast Morning. So the reason why I name Fast Morning is because everything we do it fast and we snap fingers when we do it. So snap.
Oh Lord God, me snapping.
Big up ding dong. First thing we come out here with the camera, we're gonna take one little photo for Instagram. Boom, we get one photo. Boom, show that up on Instagram. The aim of it is to get better at it. Boom, we're going to Jamaican City. Boom, tag some people. Boom, jump in on a short film. Boom, like. Boom, share. Boom, subscribe. Fast man. Double it. So, yes, quick morning as me tell fast man. So we are doing this fast. But where am I?
You're at Red Ground.
Alright, I'm at Red Ground with the lovely Everly. And them just showed one scene to one movie what them are do. I want to know what go on. Tell what go on.
Alright, so the title is what title again?
No, cut. No, we roll it up there. Tell them we roll it.
Alright.
Help if you can.
Me again? Me do again?
Post this.
Yes, no, you need to call it one different name.
News report.
Alright, that's nice. You want to do this over?
No, continue, pick up.
So in the film, I am the hostess. We're doing a reality series with Jamaican TV, and I will be interviewing. Well, I interviewed a young lady.
It's a traditional thing, so at this point of the video you know so you're supposed to click like anytime one nice interrupt. So you're the news hostess and
yes, I was interviewing a young lady regarding her situation. She's been facing financial constraints and she's split into the public for help. So I'm just there as the interviewer with her, the interviewee. That's it.
Cool. So, next thing again, I know it's the first role you're playing a Richard Brown film, Jamaican. So, since you've been doing that, what has changed in your life as a result of you doing that?
My confidence, that's it.
People not seeing on the road and like, oh, are you missing on the TV?
Oh yeah, I get that.
Yeah guys, so as I say, we come talk to somebody from Jamaican with Richard Brown films. We do that fast morning, so we move on now into the before we go into blows and skirt, watch out now. I want to tell the young lady this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grace us with some of that talent there, and I'm going to put in another section of the video and make them hear. I want to lend some opinions where that is concerned. See me? So, we'll get it, right? What the topic about the board?
I don't know. All my poems, they're not in my mind.
The channel is a fast morning video, so we are move fast. We find out where you do quick. We find out what your talent is quick, and I give you a sample of talent quick. But we're not pressure right now, we just want to know, so you give it some, I just put in it and it just seems quick. So yeah, what the title like about?
I don't know.
Anyways, we're not telling no, but it's gonna be bad. We're gonna listen to our thing and then we go straight into the short film. Miss Everly, thank you again. Yeah, it looks done.
Beautiful woman, why do you cry? If he can't love you the right way, then it's time to say goodbye. You see, we were meant to be loved and cherished. May every self-degrading thought you have about yourself perish. You're more than the Brazilian hair and the fancy clothes you wear. You're more than the expensive car you drive. Don't be captivated by the devil's lies. You are beautifully and wonderfully made, perfected in God's image and carefully given a shade. You're more than the numbers on the scale. I don't care if you're fat, thick, or slim. My true intention is to see you win. I don't care if you're single or not. You're a bubbling volcano. You're hot. Don't lower your standards and don't give up on yourself. Do not give yourself less than what you truly deserve. And if anything means you well, do not put it on reserve. I am praying for you. May you climb every wall and overcome every obstacle. May you find the love the way you love. May you see yourself for what you truly are. Strong, fierce, radical, and a shining star.
Yes, we can definitely walk and talk. So you guys just spoke with Everly. I think I might use her for the short film. When I get any now.
Hi, Sunscene.
Sunscene.
Yes.
Alright, Sunscene. What I want to do for you today is tell me how you link up with Richard Brown Films. That's the first question. And then the second question, how is it going so far? So I'm gonna give you the floor for yourself.
Alright, how I got into the movie. My friend, yeah, we're close friends with you guys. Yeah, so them say, be nice, I'm going to come in a video and act. So, you know, see if I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's fun. And I enjoy myself so far.
General, what you just shy with the camera turned on. So, alright, my next question I'm going to ask you. So, we'll find out how you link up with Mr. Brown. We'll find out, so you enjoy the movies. Tell me about the role where you play so far in the movies.
Okay, so the role I play in a movie now, a new girl in a village. And Papa asks me, you know, like me and thing, but him tell me say my chopper, which is not. So we get pregnant, find out say I'm not chopper, now keep it.
John, alright, now give them no more of the story. So you're there with the man you feel like saying you have money. Well, your character, not you. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see the beautiful sun scene. So yeah, and then we move straight into our short film. So we get some visuals and then move into the short film. I gotta start shooting right now.
Where you are going at night, yeah?
You talk about when me I go. And where you are go them time of hours you look so hot.
No, see, you don't have me hard, me I go do.
Brownie, you know, it's a long time I like you.
You like me, so that's how long you take to tell me that?
But I wouldn't mind could I know more about you, you know? You go out and try to anywhere you want to go. Do some skydiving and thing you want, you see me? All for me, you know? Oh, you bite up your lip themselves like in a mood, man. What you say about that? Well, I'm not telling you, like, me enjoy it, you know?
Me too.
Wow, now I wish if we can see all that time if you have a look comfortable, you know? How to do it in a very comfortable.
Yeah, come in never ready for done yet.
Alright, me have your number still. So me will call you, because I don't want to keep you out at too late, so time already late, so. So, we link up, yeah?
Alright then.
Alright, no problem. I'm gonna go on the whole road tonight. Wow, what a night.
Look like she get the job done.
Hello.
Yeah, you deal with the thing?
Job done, man. Give boy one little piece. Right name is Gigi. I know a place stand at him one did it too. Yeah. Yeah man, tomorrow can go dusty boy. I must send us some pictures still. You can see the place state set up and thing, isn't it?
Good job, babe. So, one thing more I could do now is come by me. I'm not exactly at the house now, but I'm on my way there. Make sure you come see me.
Alright, that's enough.
Can't believe so much left there to pay them in I sink. I'm the one tired to tell him about this, you know. And them know chat about me miserable. Watch out.
Hot though, man. Gosh, let me take the boy and chill.
Yo, Roger.
Oh, you wicked, so man. You couldn't call me, man.
Yeah, man. You know what I was there? I text her, see you sending that. Yeah, man, from the I text her, just like me. I say, yo, level out.
Yo, we have to go link up and celebrate for now.
Yeah, man, that's simple one, man. We can link, man, but you know, say, no fitting could be right, so not to do it like that.
Yeah, man. Alright. No call the brownie right now.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
What me not get is, oh, you make me do them something they don't feel no way about it.
Because if you want me to feel that way, if you really want to find out about me, just do what you do for me now, for your next man, and so on.
Alright. So, babes, what I'm to with this man? Why him? Why? You know what? We're going through all of this. Why this man?
I'm not normal to do this, I understand, but I'm not really him. I understand. I'm up a virgin named Richie. And my man I'm really want to get rid of, but that's for next time. Huh?
Gotcha. Wow. Me there. Yes, I'm not going nowhere today.
No matter how many times I call this still, you know. Want to link up back.
Yeah. So we can meet up today then.
Yeah, man, I'll get a location.
Okay. Alright then. Just call me when you're ready.
Alright, that's it. Stay tuned, yeah? Okay, baby. Love you.
Yeah, go link up today.
So, you know the location?
You might go say it to me.
Alright. Boy, I could bring in virgin, you know. Same man I tell about. Alright, tell her where you do. Link up with him. When I go up on the location, text me or call me, anything. Let me know what I'm going. I probably have to take out to you today.
Alright.
Alright, so just deal with that, alright?
Alright.
Yeah. So, yes, my beautiful people, that has been it. We have arrived at the end of another video. Kindly, please, thank you. Leave a like on the video, subscribe if it's your first time over here and you're not yet subscribed. And Mr. Lawrence shall see you in another video. Little more.